Alright, last ending for Chainsaw Man. Guys, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video where I rank all the endings. For me, like the worst to best, they're all good, so you know, it's not like a competition really. I know it's not the point of those endings, but I can subscribe and let's watch the last ending. Let's go, man. Is that like a recap of everything, or maybe not? Okay, a little like guitars, classic anime. Is that the same singer as the one who did the JJK opening? Okay, so just like the three of them goofing off. Yeah, that's the same singer as JJK. I really like his style, like the voice effect on his voice. I was like, what the heck is this? That was his foot. Oof! That note. Yeah. Yeah, it's really good. I don't know if the guitars. Ooh, the piano at the end. And this bass. Okay. I would give that like a 8 out of 10. Like, it's really good. I don't know if like it's not, definitely not in my top 3, probably like top 5 or something like that. But yeah, really enjoyed that one. I'm reacting to the episode right now, so don't forget to subscribe to don't miss out on my reaction to the finale of season 1 of Chainsaw Man, and I'm gonna leave my thoughts for the anime Chainsaw Man. So alright, I'll see you guys in a bit.